The fusion process takes a few minutes and can be set up prior to the customer's arrival. Load the MRI images from the USB onto the system. Now it's time to contour the prostate. This step will define the prostate for the system to complete the fusion process. You can change the slice on the transverse view by moving the blue line on the longitudinal view. Start by selecting the MRI view from the menu. Carefully outline the prostate being as tight as possible. The system requires at least 3 contours before moving the next new step. Best practice for this step is to do 5 contours. The first contour should be done mid-gland at its widest point. Then contour slices at the apex and base. Finally, choose a spot between mid-gland and the apex and another between the base and midgland. This will provide enough information for the system to fusion the MRI and ultrasound image. When a slice is contoured, you can left-click to add a note. Left-click on a blue node to stretch and drag the contour. Also, you can slide the entire contour with a mouse wheel. To remove a node, right-click on the node and choose to remove the node or delete the entire contour. You'll now identify the base and apex of the prostate in the longitudinal view. Again, the accuracy of the fusion is only as good as the identification of landmarks. Once you identify the base and apex, you'll be able to drag and drop both the apex and base. It is now time to define your region of interest. Select Draw on the MRI menu. This process will mirror the process we followed when contouring the prostate. You'll be asked to contour and define the region of interest. Finally, you will be asked to identify upper and lower limit of the region of interest. You will now repeat this process on the ultrasound image, following the same steps as you did on the MRI image. When the preparation is done, click on Export, select or create a new folder. We will choose to export the fusion. Complete the prompts to export the file, then check to make sure the file is exported. The fusion is now complete and the system is ready for the customer's arrival. It is advised that you perform a practice simulation prior to the customer's arrival. If you have a colleague with you or there is OR staff, administrators of office staff available, give them a test drive and warm up for the main event. Remember, plan for everything so when the unexpected happens, you are prepared. This concludes the section on how to properly set up a fusion before a test drive.